This question says use the quadratic formula to solve for x. And we have 8x squared plus 7x plus 1 equals 0. So I'm just going to rewrite that. 8x squared plus 7x plus 1 equals 0. So to use the quadratic formula, we have to have the equation in the general form, which it already is. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So in this case, a is equal to 8. B equals 7. And c equals 1. Note that if this was minus, so if it was 8x squared minus 7x, then b would equal negative 7. Now we need to use the quadratic formula. And the quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So let's plug in. X equals negative b, which is negative 7, plus or minus 7 squared, b squared, minus 4 times a, which is 8, times c, which is 1, all over 2 times a, which is 8. Keep continuing. X equals negative 7 plus or minus square root. 7 squared is 49 minus 4 times 8 times 1. 4 times 8 is 32. So it's 49 minus 32, or 17, all over 2 times 8, which is 16. Now we can split it up. X equals negative 7 plus root 17 over 16, or x equals negative 7 minus square root of 17 over 16. In this case, when you do the math using the calculator, x equals negative 0.18, rounding to the nearest hundredth, or doing the math using the calculator here, x equals negative 0.70. So these are the two possible answers with the quadratic equation, which was shown here.